Hey there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I am back with another haul, and today's is pretty special because it's all the things that I bought in Thailand. I really didn't think I was gonna buy that many things in Thailand, but I feel like I found some really cute pieces that I wanted to share with you guys, and I'm absolutely obsessed with everything that I picked up. So let's just jump right in. I think I'm just gonna start by like the places that I went to because that's how I remember everything. So the first place that I kind of bought things at were the Big Buddha temple. I actually didn't pick these up. My mum actually brought these, my mum and my little brother, but I'm gonna steal them because I think they're absolutely adorable. But they got these two little beaded bracelets, one in like this jade green color and then one in this gorgeous like brown gold stone. It's so pretty. They have these really cute little cheapil like winged lion creatures, so they're a hybrid mythical creature which is mixed between like a lion, which is a lion with a wing. I wrote it down. Apparently they are meant to defeat bad energy and turn it into gold essence and represent good luck and wealth, which I thought was absolutely adorable, and I could use some good luck and wealth, so I'm keeping one of these. Probably most likely this one because I love green jade. I think it's so pretty. And I love like the cute little dangly detail and then like the little circle in the middle. So they're both like different styles, but they have the same character kind of on it. I'll insert like a close-up clip of these pieces for you guys. I think I got this at like one of the random markets near the hotel I was staying at, but it is this gorgeous pearl necklace. It's like a fresh pearl necklace, and it like the pearls go like in different directions, so it's like abstract and cool. I've never seen a necklace like this, so I decided to just like go get one. But it's really cool. The clasp is actually magnetic, so it's so easy to take on and off, which I love because whenever I have acrylic nails on, I don't at the moment, but whenever I do, it's the hardest thing to put on jewelries, especially when the lobster clips are like tiny. And so having this magnetic clasp is just so freaking easy. It's a little longer than I would like it. I normally like my pearl necklaces to be kind of like a choker, like the one I'm wearing at the moment, but I think I'll grow into this style. I love it, super cute. I'm pretty sure I got ripped off with this necklace because it was just me and my sister bargaining, and I was like really scared. And I think I just remember like offering, like she said a price, and then I feel like we went pretty low, but she was like yeah sure, and I was like she accepted it too quickly that I'm like, did I get ripped off? I don't know, but whatever, it's fine. Super freaking cute, love it. But then the next place that I feel like I picked up stuff at was at the old Phuket Town market. Absolutely amazing market. It goes on for so many streets and so much to look at. They only run it on Saturday, they only run it on Sundays, so if you ever are in Thailand and want to go to the old Phuket market, the market's only on Sundays. I did pick up a lot of really random things at the old Phuket Town market, but some of my favorites were actually these little cute dishes. Whoops. So there was like a little girl that was just selling like random ceramic cups and bowls and plates, and I picked up 3 different pieces. So I have this adorable cup. It just has like all this really gorgeous marbling like stone detail. It just looks like earth in the desert, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And then it has like writing at the front of it. I don't really know what it says. I think even the shape of the cup is nice. It's like so clean and pretty. It says 100 baht, but I actually remember bargaining with this girl, and I feel like she gave us everything for such a good price, which I'm really happy about. It even has like a cute little ripply effect inside the cup as well. But I also picked up this bowl. I just love earthy tones and things that look like natural ceramic like colors. I think it's just so beautiful. I love it. But this one's got like a really gorgeous like texture to it. There's a little flower at the front, and it's got like brown gradient to a lighter beigey whitey cream. But I just thought the scalloping on the top of the cup was just super pretty, and I don't think I've ever seen any bowl that had this type of like scallop trim at the top, and I thought it was super unique and just like looked so gorgeous with this bowl. So I had to pick it up. This one was cheap. It was only 65 baht. And then I got this plate as well. Isn't this absolutely adorable? I love this. It's such a beautiful white ceramic. It is beautiful white. I don't know if this is like porcelain or ceramic, but it's really gorgeous white plate, and there's like cute heart cutouts. I died. Look how adorable these cute heart cutouts are. And then it's got this gorgeous gold trim around the edge and also in the middle. I just love things that look like old Victorian tea sets. I need to find a teacup that matches this because I think it's absolutely beautiful. I honestly think this was like 100 baht as well, but I like bargained with her to get all 3 of these and she gave me such a good deal, so I was really happy about that. I was like low-key shook because I never bargain, but so loved that. Honestly, good vibes. I also picked up these pins at this super adorable stand. It actually says the name PNY bag, but I got these pins from them. I think they had like a promo, like 4 for 250 baht, which I thought was such a good deal. So I didn't think I bargained with this store, but like so freaking cute. I picked up this one. So this is like a little black cat with a skateboard. I love black cats. I think they're adorable, but my brother really likes cats, so he picked this one and he's gonna have it. Super cute. He has like a thing for cats and fishes, so there's this little white cat with a orange goldfish. So freaking cute. I know it's adorable. It's like eating the fish and the fish is sad, but still really cute. And this one, which is I love this one. I think it's absolutely beautiful, but it says Save the Ocean and it's a little plastic bag with a whale swimming in it. It's so adorable. I really like, I think that this store had a lot of like recycled Save the Ocean type of like merchandise, and I love that, which is also one of the reasons why I didn't want to bargain with them, because I was like, it's going to a good cause, right? But I just thought it was really adorable. But I got this one, which is like, I'm gonna, like, I know for sure I'm gonna use this because it is so cute. It is so me. It's 2 cute little squishy white bunnies on top of each other. I think it's so adorable. I can't wait to just like pin this on something because I feel like it suits my like aesthetic, you know. So cute. But I did also pick up this gorgeous cute little crochet bags. They had a lot of like cute different crochet bags in Thailand, but I haven't seen one that had like cute little strawberry details, and it's like a little circle cylinder bag. I don't really know what type of bag this is called. I have like random stuff that I just like shoved in here to keep its shape, just like reusable masters and things that I was carrying around with me, which is so cute. And the cool thing about this one is that the strap is actually adjustable, so like it's long now, so I can wear it crossbody. But if I wanted to like shorten it, I just have to like pull this and it like makes it short, and then I can just tie this front bit into like a little bow or something. Like, how absolutely adorable is that? And then I can just like wear this around my arm. It's a cute little strawberry. I thought this was adorable. This was actually kind of pricey, but the girl that was selling them said that she hand makes them, and it takes her a really long time just to make one bag, so I thought it was worth it. I don't remember how much I ended up getting it for, but I remember it being rather pricey. But I was like, it's cute, so it's fine, and it's handmade. And I've never seen anything like that, so that justifies it, right? So freaking cute, obsessed. I actually got another crochet bag that was like a flat one for your phone, and there was like a pearl in the front of it. It was super adorable. It was also pretty pricey because the girl that was selling them had made them, and her designs were amazing. She had so many and they were so pricey, but I picked up like a cute one. I don't remember where I put it, but when I find it, hopefully I do find it, because what the hell, hopefully I'll find it, and when I find it I'll insert a little clip of it for you. But it was really cute. It was like a small little crochet pouch thing that you put your phone in. Super adorable. But yeah, that's pretty much all the things that I picked up at the old Phuket Town market. Had such a good time, was such a vibe. Highly recommend going if you ever go, but remember, only on Sundays the actual market on the streets opens up. But I did also end up going to like a shopping center on my last day before I went to the airport. I don't remember what it was called. It was like the Grand Shopping Center or something. I'll like believe a name of it. I didn't get to spend as long there as I would like because it was literally just like a few hours before my flight. But I did pick up some pretty cute things. So I got these little notebooks. I got 3 of them. So I got 2 of these, one for me and one for my sister. Little cute APs. Look at her holding her clover, so adorable. And then this cute little green one. I don't actually know what this stuffed character in Line Friends is called. It says Little Friends Park. So adorable. But like, look at him with his little snot running out of his nose. Absolutely adorable. And they all have cute little yellow pouches, which I thought was so cute. So I picked these up. I did also pick up like this t-shirt at a random like cute little clothing boutique. It's like this gorgeous yellow pastel shade. I don't have anything in this color, so I thought it was so pretty. And it says butter cake. I fucking love cake. and it's just like pretty and cool, and it's really big and oversized, so I can wear it like a dress, which I absolutely adore. So I love that. But that's pretty much all the items that I got. I didn't get to spend that long at the shopping center, not as long as I would like. Oh wait, I did also get this super freaking cute little duck. It was only 89 baht. I think it's kind of like a Miniso Thailand version called Moshi Moshi, but how freaking adorable is this little cut? It's the girl with the pearl earrings in duck form with her little pouty lips. I thought it was absolutely adorable, and she has a little boba pouch. So freaking cute. So I had to get her because I'm obsessed, and I have like an inside joke with my friends about the girl with the pearl earrings. I really wanted to get them one, but they only had one left, so I'm like, sorry, it's gonna be for me. I'm gonna keep this. Sorry guys. So freaking adorable. Hi guys, it's me again. I realized that I brought a whole bunch of t-shirts from Uniqlo at the shopping center that I completely forgot about, but I wanted to show you guys. So this one's a really cute blue t-shirt, and it just says, "I'm always by your side." I actually got another one in pink with the bunny girl Connie on it, but my sister took it with her to Canberra, so I don't have it with me. But we bought a lot of Line Friends t-shirts just because they were just super freaking cute. So we also picked up this one, and I think this one was like for their New Year's, because around the time that we went it was like really close to the Thailand New Year's. And this one just says, "Let's celebrate together," and they're dressed up as little tigers because this year is the year of the tiger, and all their like amazing cuisine dishes. So freaking cute. I actually love this one. This one says, "Happy times together, Brown family." Brown and friends. Whoops. Brown and friends. But all the cute little characters, so cute. I'm pretty sure I got all of them in like a large. This one's an extra large. Yeah, I always like to wear my t-shirts oversized. And I also got a really adorable Studio Ghibli t-shirt, and I ended up getting this t-shirt because they had like a really cute tote bag looking thing that if you buy a t-shirt you get the bag. I don't know where the bag is, it's my brother's. But I got this t-shirt for me because it's a kid's t-shirt and he doesn't like wearing small clothes. So this one I got in a 160. Don't really know what size that is, but it was probably the biggest size in the kids' clothes. But it says, "My style, my Ghibli exhibition," and then it has the cat bus on it, which is really cute. So that was pretty much all that I got at this shopping center. But then our flight got delayed at the airport, so we were just like walking around the random shops and we picked up some things. We just picked these random little cute Line Friend keyrings. Oh, Line Friends brown bear keyrings. So we got 3, obviously one for me and my siblings. I'm sure my little brother wants this one. This one's the one that I wanted, but it's a cute little dinosaur, and I think these are like seals or something. I don't really know. I think they're actually different type of animals. I'm not too sure, but super cute. I think my sister wants a light blue one, so I guess mine is the cute little mint green one. Super freaking adorable. They're so fluffy. These were actually kind of pricey, but we were like, the last cute thing that we'll get in Thailand before we leave. So we just got it. We're like, whatever, it's fine. But they're so adorable. I love it. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I picked up in Thailand. I'm obsessed with all the items. I think they're so freaking cute. I didn't think I was going to find that many things that I liked, but they're so freaking cute and I love them all so much. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I picked up in Thailand, Phuket. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!